Hi friends, today I will show you how to use the spin only option for extra drying your clothes. Once your wash is over, switch on the washing machine, go to the spin mode and select the RPM. I have selected 1200 RPM. It's going to take 13 minutes. I have switched on the start button. It will be using only the spin mode, that is, it will just rotate. See, the spin is progressing. This is helpful during your winter season. See, the wash is over now. I'm going to switch off. You can see the clothes, it has become extra dry. Thank you.